Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today this video show you how to fix Acrobat always asks to save changes even with no changes. To fix this issue, open PDF document, click on menu and then open preferences. Select JavaScript and uncheck and enable Acrobat JavaScript. Now go to Documents and uncheck Save as Optimizes for fast web view. Then select Genre tab and select Use only certified plugins. Click OK and restart Adobe Acrobat. If none of these solutions work, try to repair Adobe Acrobat installation. Go to menu and then select Help and then select Repair Installation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.